Okay, here is one option that I've been working on. I'll give you the grand tour. Starting on the sink wall. See, I've got 4 drawers here. This is a slide-in stove. 4 drawers on either side of the stove. Then you got the dishwasher, sink, and this would be a double pull-out trash with a drawer on top. These are 24-inch uppers, 24 inches high. That gives you the 18 inches of space that we usually want, or close to 18 inches of space. And this is a narrow microwave. Whirlpool makes one of them. Right here. You can see the magic number is 10 and 5/16 high. Most microwaves are 16.5 inches high. So given your ceiling height, this Samsung I think makes one, and I think one other company, but Whirlpool I think they were the first one to make one. And this is a over-the-range microwave, so it can vent outside as well. I've installed probably half dozen of them in my time. They are a little deeper from here to here than the average microwave. So you probably want to see one set up in a store. And over here, I've got floor to ceiling storage. 2 cabinets that are 36 inches wide, 12 inches deep. Doing a transition cabinet. They call this a base transition, where this cabinet is on an angle and there's storage behind this door. Then this is an area for the beverage, your existing beverage refrigerator. I didn't measure that, but that's a space for 15 inches. That's 15 inches wide. Then you've got a wall, a drawer cabinet. This could be drawers or doors. I put in drawers for now. 2 wall cabinets above. This would be an excellent landing area. You could make this a coffee area, but you could also make this area the coffee area too. So this is the setup I would consider for the refrigerator. Above the refrigerator would be wine cubby holes, just to give it something there. This is a 21-inch wide pantry with roll-out shelves inside. We could set up a partition on one of these cabinets for so you can store a closet, a broom of some sort. But I thought this would be better use, putting roll-out shelves in here, more storage above. The island, again, could be either drawer storage or door storage. Right now I got door storage with roll-out trays, drawer above. Put in some wainscoting on 2 sides of the island. I didn't do wainscoting over on this side because nobody's going to really see that, but when you walk in, you can see the wainscoting. Then entertainment area, I'd have to double check to see if you've got baseboard heat here. So this cabinet here is 21 inches deep. I don't know where that baseboard shows up. So I could make this area here more shallow, but the cabinets on either side of the TV would be 12 inches deep. Again, I could change that, make it more shallow. Storage wraps around, as you can see. So that is one option I've been working on. Before I work on a second one, I'd probably want your feedback as to how you like this option. I would say you gain a lot of storage compared to what you have today using this option.